Hello friends, it's great to be able to talk to you again. As you know, this month we are talking about contractors insurance, construction insurance, and our team at Latour Insurance insures thousands of contractors throughout the Carolinas every year. We are really experts in that field, and it is our pleasure to be able to give you the guidance that you need. Workers' compensation insurance is critical for a construction company, for a construction worker, a subcontractor. You really can't get on the job and do your work or get paid if you don't have it. If your workers get hurt on the job, it's your responsibility. Really, it's legally your responsibility as a business owner. If a worker gets hurt and you have the right coverage, a good workers' compensation policy, your workers' medical expenses from that injury are going to get covered, as well as a portion of their salary if they can't work while they are recovering. So workers' comp is extremely important. Just as is general liability, it covers damages to third parties to a property where you may be working. If there's a damage, an accident, and property is damaged, the general liability policy is going to cover that. If there's a bodily injury or some type of property damage related to defective materials that are on the job, you will have coverage under your general liability policy. Ask us about those key questions and we'll be happy to answer you in detail. The commercial auto policy is also an extremely important coverage that we help customers with every year. There are unfortunately people that try to cover a commercial vehicle, under a private passenger auto insurance policy, and that doesn't work. If a vehicle is registered to a company and you're using it for work in your business, you have to have it covered under a commercial vehicle insurance policy. That's extremely important so that you are properly covered and claims don't get denied if there's an accident. And lastly, make sure that your equipment and your tools are covered. They're very expensive. It's a big investment on the part of every contractor. Make sure that your general liability policy has tools and equipment coverage. If you're transporting your tools from job to job, make sure that you have inland marine coverage for your tools and for your equipment. Again, they're very expensive. It's a huge investment. We have, unfortunately, we see people lose their tools, their equipment to theft or whatever, and they don't have coverage for it. So make sure that your general liability policy has your tools and equipment coverage. Ask us any questions. You know that we're here to help. As always, for 20 years, we're here to advise you and to help you and make sure that you are properly covered. As our motto says, it is our business to protect your business. So don't hesitate to call us if you have any questions. Thank you.